7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Breathe out. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm sure most of you are not able to do this breathing exercise, but you should know that you are all a living organism, right? I hope there is no doubt in this. And the joke part is, we have billion trillion cells and they need oxygen to live, but we don't have time to provide oxygen to those cells. When you're not breathing properly, how can you ensure that you provide that much oxygen? Nowadays, people are just doing shallow breath. अभी भी आप बात कर रहे हो, आपस में खेल रहे हो, कुछ भी सोच रहे हो, you're holding your breath. You're not taking deep breath, right? तो जब भी आपको स्ट्रेस हो या आप कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या किसी भी एग्जाम से पहले आप बैठे हैं रेडीनेस के लिए, जस्ट हैव डू ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज. Tejas group. This is important for your billion trillion cells. If there is no oxygen even for a second, you know what will happen, right? Even though you can hold your breath, but suppose there is no oxygen in the room, then you try to hold your breath. Even that 1 second will count. Okay, so let us all welcome our team. 4 teams for today. Tejas, Agni, Brahmos and Vikram. Please give a big round of applause to each group, starting from there. Tejas, all the members, please introduce.
I am Aniket from ACS2 Mumbai.
I am Soham from ACS2 Mumbai representing Tejas Group.
I am Siddharth from ACS4 Mumbai.
I am Snehil Prakash from ACS4 Mumbai.
Agni group.
I'm Jashwant from ACS Manu Group.
Speak up, children. Each one of you have to introduce.
I'm Rishri Samyukta and I'm from ACS Thailand.
I'm Shaunak. I'm from Singh of ACS Anupara.
Teshri from ACS2 Mumbai.
Great.
Rishika of ACS Karamur. I'm Vishal Kumar of ACS Mumbai. I'm Devansh from ACS Mumbai. I'm Karthik from ACS Mumbai.
Now Vikram group.
I am Priyanshu Prasad from ACS2 Mumbai.
I'm Raj Kidwal from ACS Mumbai.
I'm Devanjan Kumar Khan from ACS Mumbai.
I'm Deepika from ACS Mumbai.
So all the very tell you the rules of the round. Round and sir's wife. Children, please give.
I think. So good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
And in the participants, you are all from representing all the 30 schools, or is it some centers and these are
Mumbai,
the
Tarapur, Kaiga, all are. Manuguru, all are.
Kudankulam? What happened, Kudankulam?
And they could not get into the tower.
Okay, fine. So how you find this this JSO, the training or whatever it is, how it is going on?
You can hear mic and respond.
Okay. So what is the most you find so far? Let me ask you.
Daily test.
Daily tests. Which subject? Or all subjects? From here, anything interesting?
Got to the
Practicals. You want practicals to be included in your class? I mean, in the school? Oh, very good. What is the other team? There is the. And what's the Brahmos?
Holistic mission.
Somebody tell me. It's not a ballistic missile. That's right. Very correct. What's the range? 400 400 kilometer
Yes.
to
Syllabus.
no 800. 400 to 800 approximately. Yes, that's right. Okay, so I'm sorry, I am just asking this question rather than telling something. Maybe I am eating away your time. But the idea here is that actually this we are going to make it more, every year it is happening and we will continue doing it. More than anything else, we want to see that what's the kind of response. It is that participation is most important. Okay, and as you know, we have the in-house talent pool. I think you have all heard Dr. Maiti. See, he himself is a scholar in the area of chemistry, and as you know, his son is also from our system, that is AECS and AEJC, and he was also not only a JSL JMO, means international. I think he was in chemistry and mathematics here. Okay, so see, it shows that we have a rich legacy. But legacy is not the only thing we can live on. We have to thrive on our own quest and we have to make it happen. More importantly, it's not that everybody will be going to JS International Mathematics Olympiad or Chemistry Olympiad or Physics Olympiad. What is important is that the participation in this process. Not that everybody will be going even for science, I am telling you. It will be required that those, whatever field you take it up, please try to excel in that. Even if you are not excel, just participation is enough. That will make you motivated to do better in your life. It's not that you have to get the winning prize or anything, first prize. More important is that you should participate. I think I will not try to take your more time. Only thing I request you, please give an honest feedback. Last time also I told the same thing. Please give an honest feedback about how to improve this program also. What can be included more or what cannot be there or what should not be there. And honest feedback from all the participants is most important. And I think Suklaji must have included a feedback session.
Yes, every day they are taking feedback through Google Form, and in the last day today also
They will be compiling, and so that's very important. Please be honest, even if it is calling for telling something against our system. We are here to listen to you. Most important is that you be honest in your feedback so that we can improve on the program. As I told you, I was very happy to learn that practicals people are liking, and we are in the process of improving the practical classes in our secondary system. Anyway, higher secondary system it is there already, but in the secondary system, lot of more practicals will be included. So all the best for all of you for the future, and it is my privilege to be here, and I am very happy to be interacting. I don't want to take more time. You want to say something?
All the
Yes,
best.
there are very words.
From here only, all the best.
Okay, thank you. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just to tell you, our son also is from this system, that means AECS system, and he is of course graduated from BITS Hyderabad, and subsequently he has done his MS and doing now working in AMD. You must have heard AMD. AMD is the chip maker. Yeah, so he's working there. But anyway, just to tell you that there are all around here people are there. But I am only trying to tell that it's not important that you have to do mathematics, physics, chemistry, that means science, but also in any field, like that so a law system, judicial system, or even in the administrative services. So we are trying to bring in more, exposure to our students for all these areas. So that's the way we look at it. And even if it is other way, that means not necessarily everybody has to go for, as I tell you again and again, that everybody don't have to go for this engineering, science, mathematics, and such things. There are many other options. Today, this world is wide open. Okay, so all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Name of the group itself. So visual round. Again 2 questions per team. Video round. There will be 1 question each team. Rapid fire, there will be 10 questions. Next thing, 10 points will be given for each correct answer. General round 4. Okay? And if there is any MCQ given, then it will be passed only to immediate team. Is that clear? If there is MCQ, only immediate team will get the chance, otherwise it will be passed on further. Yes, please. Then it will be passed on. It will go in order only. Okay? And the maximum correct answer will be the winner among the tie-break round. So 10 points for each correct answer. I think I'm clear, sir. Any doubt आपको भी पूछ लीजिए.
पार्टीशन कर लीजिए
ठीक है, फर्स्ट राउंड में सर 4 क्वेश्चंस ही है. उसके बाद सब में 8 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. 2 questions for each team. Should I begin, children? Are you all ready? So I'll start with Tejas group. To begin with, slide 1. Question goes to Tejas. What part of the heart is considered the natural pacemaker? Is considered the natural pacemaker. Which part of the heart ensures the pulling of the valves of both the sides of the heart? No better.
Purkinje fibers.
Huh?
Purkinje fibers.
Not exactly.
Cervical node.
Not exactly.
Purkinje fibers.
Huh?
Purkinje fibers.
No. So, yes. First part is I have not given that in the diagram. So the answer is caudate and iliac. Okay. That है. किसी को points नहीं गए हैं. Okay. Second, Agni team, be ready. Your question is which pigment is mainly responsible for purple color in plants? Do you know, children, one fact about this pigment? It changes its color depending upon the medium. In acidic, the color is phase starting with the Apollo 7 mission. What was used by the first US astronauts for voyaging in space starting with the Apollo 7 mission?
Pencil.
Okay, but pencil was long before. क्या problem आता है Okay, next. Okay, next.
Space pen. Space.
Space. Okay, so for this nobody gets the. And this is the greatest invention because there is when anything goes in space, you know there is a huge difference in the pressure. So the ink of the pen will come out. It will get leaky or it will get dried up. The nib point or ball point will never work. So in that case, many things were tried out. The gravity has to be maintained according to the pressure. France team, ready? So what is the least reflective object solar system?
Venus.
Okay, so the question goes to next. Question goes to meteorites. You can
Asteroids.
asteroids. है कि कोई भी ब्लैक आउट चीज देख लो उससे भी वो डार्क दिखेगा. It is having such an absorb. So let us begin with the next round, physics potential.
M0, L0, T1 और
Okay, so they have given the answer.
M square L1 T minus 2 charge minus.
No, that's also wrong. So since it is an MCQ one, only one time pass to the board. Okay, people are solving and telling me why you need option for this. Options तो उनके लिए होते हैं जिनको बिल्कुल आता नहीं और guess करना चाहते हैं. Which among the following shows the particle nature of light?
A photoelectric effect.
Okay, so that's correct.
5 marks.
मैम कितने वीडियो आई गेस देखिए प्ले होता है क्या बैक चाहिए क्योंकि ये सिस्टम For which of the following does the graph denote the variation of force of gravity F?
A spherical shape.
Very good. So that's correct. Then the gravitational force is an imaginary force, a long range force, a short range force, the strongest fundamental force.
Option B, long range force.
Okay, that's correct. They deserve 10 points. If the mirror is held in water, what should be the change in focal length of the mirror? Great, so they get 10 points. Question goes to Vikram team. When light travels from one medium to another, which of the following does not change?
Frequency.
Frequency, very good. Which of the following cannot be polarized? Radio waves, transverse waves, sound wave, X-rays.
Option C, sound wave.
Sound waves, very good. What should be, this is for Agni team, ready? What should be increased to increase the angular magnification of a simple microscope?
option A, the power of lens.
The power of the lens, that's correct. Suppose I add nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid on copper. What will happen? What will happen if I put nitric acid on copper crystal? Yes? अच्छा. So you'll find out and tell me next day.
Okay, so Tejas 25 points, Agni 20 points, Brahmos 20 points, Ines Vikrant 20 points.
In which one of the following particle has highest wavelength if all are moving with equal velocity? Proton, alpha particle, neutron, electron.
Electron.
It is electron, correct. Next one. What is the name of the compound that is often called laughing gas? So it is nitrous oxide. But I'll make, I'll either share or we'll see after. So hormonal change. Okay, I can take that point. But only hormonal change?
Ma'am, due to increased production of adrenaline.
Huh?
Adrenaline.
That he said hormone. Is there only hormone involvement which will make you laugh? But you know, even this gas can lead you, I mean, it can make, you can suffer like anemic, you will feel like anemic, you will have lack of oxygen and you will die because of that. So it can be so dangerous. So anyways, come to the question for Agni B. Okay, the question is, who am I? Element is having a range of application from semiconductors in the sand. It is obtained by reduction with carbon at 2000 degrees Celsius.
B. Silicon.
Very good. So the answer is silicon. Goes to Brahmosteen. You ready? Which chemical compound is famously known as yellow?
Option A.
Option A,
Sulfur dioxide.
sulfur dioxide. Okay. Next team.
Second one.
PVC is
D.
vinyl chloride. Okay.
Polyvinyl chloride.
Polyvinyl. Okay. Next question goes to Agni team. White phosphorus is represented by which? It is represented by which among the following symbols?
Ma'am, option D P4.
Option
D P4.
DP4, correct. Okay, so they get 10 points. Which of these ore is not an oxide? Sphalerite, hematite, cuprite, magnetite.
Option A.
Option
A.
what is it?
Sphelerite.
Sphalerite, so it is an ore of? What is it? Acha, guess kar, MCQ. So that's the importance of MCQ. Anyways, the answer is correct, sir. Please give the marks. It is zinc sulfur. And the substance, how it is. Next question goes to Vikram team. When cathode rays strike a target, they give rise to D rays, E and J rays, X-ray, canal rays.
Camel rays.
Okay? That's okay. Next question goes to. You can see that setup, madam. You can see how the setup was made earlier time and how the gas was passed through the tubes and electrodes were used. You can just see this is old setup, just a symbolic form to tell you how the movement of particle takes place. Okay, next one question goes to
Listen students, after completion of chemistry round, the total points for Tejas team is 50, Agni 40, Brahmos 30, INS Vikram 35 points.
Yes. It is the most toxic plant globally native to Australia, causing both. नहीं, ये सब कुछ आसान है. It is most toxic plant within a small drop.
Poison ivy.
No. Next team, please. Next, Vikram team.
Snake plant.
Snake plant. Okay. That's not so poisonous. Okay. Question for you, which is the most toxic plant globally native to Australia, causing both electrocution and burning? It is the plant Even if you touch to the bark of the plant or maybe the leaf or any part of the plant, it's all poisons. But you will find out what exactly is present in the plant. What? Okay. So it is Dendrocyanide. So the word cyanide you can understand. Okay, next one. So the question goes to take now it goes to Brahmosty. Ready? Commonly known as the royal diseases. The disease commonly known as the royal disease.
Smallpox.
Not exactly. Okay. Next team, please.
Spanish flu. Spanish flu.
No Spanish flu. Anyone can get. Chickenpox. I don't belong to your family. Anyways.
Hemophilia.
The disease is getting transferred from generation to generation of the royal family. And if you go home, just find out why it is getting transferred. Okay, so they only get 10 points. A hormone secreted by pyloric gland that stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen in stomach. Stomach, we all have, and we overdose it. But poor something struggles a lot.
Cramatopepsin.
No. I'll repeat.
Renin.
No. Next.
Pepsodent.
Not exactly. Anyone who can tell me this? A hormone secreted by pyloric gland that stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen in stomach. Mucus will protect the layer from the effect of acid. But what exactly is there which will allow the acid to get released from the walls of the stomach? There has to be something that is connected very well to your brain also. So the answer is, madam? Huh? Your stomach pet name is gastric gland. So it has gastric hormone. Okay. In 1982, what was the first consumer GMO product approved by US Food and Drug Administration? First approved food
Nachos.
All
Nachos.
was okay. Next team, please.
Saccharin. Saccharin.
No. Next team. In 1982, what was the first consumer GMO? GMO means